10-in. Black USB sync, charge cable with lightning connector. MFI Certified. Made for iPhone 5, 5C, 5s, 6, 6 Plus, iPad, 4th generation, iPad mini, Mini 2, Mini 3, iPad Air, Air 2, iPod Touch, 5th generation, and iPod Nano, 7th generation. Tripp Lite's M100 to 10 NBK 10-in. Black USB sync, charge cable with lightning connector allows for uploading, downloading data to and from the latest generation of iPhone, iPad, and iPod devices, while charging the devices at the same time. Cables are MFI certified, so they are made for use with iPhone 5, 5C, 5s, 6, 6 Plus, iPad, 4th generation, iPad mini, Mini 2, Mini 3, iPad Air, Air 2, iPod Touch, 5th generation, and iPod Nano, 7th generation. Reversible lightning connector allows pluggability in either direction to the device. Tripp Lite's M100 to 10 NBK USB sync, charge cable with lightning connector allows you to transfer data to and from your latest generation Apple iPod, iPhone or iPad device while charging the device at the same time. The cable features a uniquely designed reversible male lightning connector that plugs into your device in either direction, making connections easier and faster. And, at only 10 inches, this cable reduces cable clutter and is easy to carry with you. Top reviews from the United States. Good bidirectional cable. Use it for charging, use it for connecting to computer, works great.